Hello students, good morning. I know you enjoyed reading activity in Zoom lecture, right? Today again I am going to give you a story to read that. You should read it, okay? Now I told you how you have to read. You have to put your fingers when your teacher is going to read, and you should try by your own also. Okay students, so this is a story of the lion and the cows. See, lion is alone, that's why they have written lion, and the cows. See, there are so many cows we can see in that picture. We can see there are so many cows. Yes? Okay, that's why they have written cows. Put your finger there, students. Okay? Once upon a time, there lived 4 cows in the forest. Every day, they used to graze together in a particular spot. That means what? उनकी कोई जगह फिक्स थी, वहाँ पे उन लोगों को खाना खाने जाना होता था. They were all friends. All 4 cows were friends. One day, a lion saw the cows grazing together. One day, a lion saw the cows grazing together. The lion wanted to eat them. The lion wanted to eat them. So he went to catch them. Catch, that means pakadna. So he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had run away. The lion had run away. A few days passed, and the cow quarreled between themselves and started grazing separately. One by one, the lion killed all of them. See, listen students, it is a moral story. It's a beautiful moral in this story, that is, unity is strength. See, in the first picture, the cows are, you can see the cows are together. The 4 cows are together and they are grazing. So the lion saw it. The cows are together. I cannot eat them. The lion ran away. Right? But in the second picture you can see the cows grazing alone. They quarreled with each other. They were alone grazing. See. And in the third picture, what lion has done? Lion killed the cows one by one. Can you see? Can you please understood this story? When you read this story again and again, it will help you to understand the story and it will help you to reading. So reading is a must, student. Yes? Yes. It's a beautiful story, students. So please read it. See here one more little small story this is, and what you have to do, you have to write these in your notebook with beautiful handwriting. Read it and write it. Okay students, with beautiful handwriting. Long time, the first of all the heading is the best bee. Long time ago there was a bee named Billy. Billy was a cute little bee, but he was brave and wise. He enjoyed playing in the garden. He enjoyed playing in the garden. In the garden, one sunny day, he saw a bee hive set on fire. He was brave enough to help other bees out. It's a too small story, students. It's a cute story. Okay, what you have to do? You have to read this story and write this story also. Read it again and again. The lesson you have to read, the stories you have to read. Okay, students, I will send more and more stories to you and it will be helpful to you to read. Okay, students, so bye. Have a nice day. Be safe.